Let's go! We got another one today. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing great. Another one from Makoto Fitness. What is the purpose of rope training? I believe it's for you to know how to control balance. It's not about the rope itself, it's about you in control of the rope. And that is what I'm proving here. Even though I'm swinging the rope, I'm still able to do other things beyond it. It was a good one. I always just challenge myself whenever I do rope. How long can I hold it for and do different things? And after I will jump into stairs first, get my calves, and then now you see me doing some pull-ups. These are called pull-ups because I always like to go time intention, which is this one. So one of the workouts or two of the workout will be time on the tension, and then the last one will be like a full speed pull-ups, like doing it faster, just to give a little bit of the fast twitch motions. You work out from the back, you can also work out from the front, and then jump into running in one place. Everyone has the way they train, and these are trainings that I've done repeatedly. Now I'm just looking at them, observing what looks better and feels better, and then keep on doing it. This is why I believe that running would definitely change anyone's life, because it's you understanding your body. And when you understand your body, you know how you can handle it. I believe that everyone should have a fit and healthy lifestyle. I do. That's why bringing fitness awareness, self-motivation, that's what I do. And helping people to achieve it, that's who I am. And I pray that I'm able to get you to kind of know what workouts should mean to you, or trying to get your body right should mean to you. It should mean everything to you, because without that, none of the other things outside you can take care of. None. Alright, this is me working on my quads and hamstring at the same time. So this is the other version, the other direction of the camera, but it's the last video. Just like I said before, it's about how long I can hold on to this rope and still twisting it without letting it go, and still able to do some movements with it. It's all balance. It's balance training. You're shrinking your core because you're using your core more, and then you're improving on your balance. This is what you need. My workout has been a blessing. That's why I'm sharing it to you. Make it a must. Make it a lifestyle. Alright, like I said again, if you like this video, share it and comment. If you need something different, put it in the comments. I got you. Peace and love. Uncle Tom.